Okay, so welcome to our art lesson. I ran out of pieces of paper, so here I've got a tiny post-it, but it will do the job. So you just have to fold your piece of paper in two. Be really careful. Okay, and now once we have folded in two, you have to do this. Being really careful to do it nicely. Stretch, and then we do the same here, like this. Okay, so now you should have something like this. Okay, like a W or an M or whatever. So now you just have to do this. Okay, you have the M like this and you fold it. So we will have the drawing here, and when you open you will have the surprise in these two. Okay, so I'm gonna try to draw something. Let me see. I'm going to do like a capsule. Okay, that's, and inside it will be the surprise. So it's gonna be more or less like this. I'm gonna make here, and I'm gonna draw the same here. Here I'm gonna put a small tag, and I will write in the inside the name of the creature. In this case, well, you will see. And then you see the capsule. I'm gonna open and I'm gonna draw what's going to be inside our surprise. So, well, I'm gonna draw it. Let's see how long it takes to you to figure out what I'm doing. I'm not very good at this, but it should be more or less like this. And then we're gonna draw the arms and the other arm here, and then something like this and something like this, and the small fingers that are quite shapy, and then a small nose, maybe some tiny little hair. Any guesses what it is? No, because you need maybe the eyes to know. Huge eyes. I'm gonna paint them black. Yep. And then here is the nice detail. You just gonna figure it out what it is. Oh my gosh, that was awful. But more or less, maybe they are too big, I think, but that will do. Any guesses who this is? It's Baby Yoda. Boom boom. I just think that we need a lining here. That's it. Lovely. So now you have finished your basic design and you only have to put some color on it. So obviously I'm going to choose green. Just try to be creative when you choose your design and do it carefully. Maybe it would be best, it would be better if you just do the design first with a pencil and then you use the markers. The ears should be pink, I think, more or less. Yeah, like this. And he was wearing a brown, kind of brown shirt. So come on quickly. I don't want to spend half an hour in this video. Come on. Come on. This was a little bit darker. Yep. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Faster. Okay. Alright, and we can use a little bit of color for this too, for the capsule, which was white grey, I think, but never mind. Okay, so here it is. We've got a capsule in here. Who's gonna be inside? Ba-bam! Baby Yoda. Okay, I hope you understand what you have to do, and I am waiting for your